Hello, good day to you. We'll dive right in. This right here is approximately 3 years old. Some of you already know what it is. I'm just going to tell you now. It's a star fruit. Carambola is the name that it's really known for. I'm not exactly sure what cultivar this is. These came from one of my neighbor's fruits, and it was an orange variety of star fruit. Now right here, this one is approximately 3 years old too. So is this one. Now they need a lot of TLC in the beginning when they're young. You have to consistently water them every other day, or let it, when it rains, you don't have to water them, but definitely want to keep them going with some water when they're young. As they're older, like these guys are now, the roots start to tap into the water table here in Florida, zone 9B, and then you don't have to pay attention to them nearly as much. They kind of just take on a life of their own. This one I think is 4 years old. This is the oldest one. This was the first one, and those are a special type of sweet potato. We won't talk about those today. I'll get those in another video. But this one should be the first producer. I'm really looking forward to the production from this starfruit tree, this carambola. And when it does produce, I'm gonna do the video of the first harvest ever of starfruit off of our property here. This is an exciting fruit tree in my opinion. And starfruit are expensive for some reason. But when you get a starfruit tree established, they're prolific producers. I've seen a lot of videos and read a lot of different articles on how heavy the production is from this particular fruit tree. Anyhow, that's the coverage that I have today on a fruit tree from our property. Thanks for watching, and stay posted as we consistently upload new and exciting content. Thanks.